Now, let me just tell you something else about Mastercard. Buffett invested in Coca-Cola. He bought Coca-Cola stock for the first time. And from 1988 till 2000, it went up like 12 or 14 times. It went up a lot. They put about 1.2 billion, it was worth like almost 15 billion. Very nice one. From 2000 onwards, so Coke was very cheap, by 2000 it was trading at 40 times earnings. From 2000 to 2018, Coke delivered a return of less than 3% a year. Okay? Why did it deliver a return of 3% a year? It's still a great company. The Chinese love Coke. You love Coke? There you go. Okay, so Coke has a global footprint. It does well everywhere. The bottling business is separate. It makes a lot of money. The return on equity is great. Just like Mastercard. It's a great business. But the thing is, the starting price that you pay matters. In 2000, you were paying more than 40 times earnings for that business. And by 2018, it's trading at 17 times earnings. So the multiple went from 40 to 17. Okay, so Mastercard actually, in my opinion, is not as good a business as Coke. Why is it not as good a business? Because it is subject to disruption. You know, in China, no Mastercard. Do you guys use Mastercard in China? No. Wiped out, not allowed to come in. Okay, and the payment systems in China are way more advanced compared to Mastercard, and they're much cheaper. The frictional cost is much low. Mastercard gets 2% on every transaction. 2%. In 2030, I don't know whether they will get 2%. You know what I'm saying? So now, if I go to my favorite stock, Moutai. Do we love Moutai? Yes, absolutely. What a company. The ultimate moat, I can't think of another company which has a better moat than Moutai. Okay? Can Moutai be disrupted? How can Moutai's business collapse? What would cause the business of Moutai to collapse? So we know, if I compare Mastercard to Moutai, Mastercard can collapse. Moutai is very, very hard to collapse because of a 1,000-year history, and it's embedded in people's heads, and they have so much inventory, and you know, the thing is, it's got all the brand cachet. China is rising. All of those things, there are a lot of tailwinds that keep coming. They can keep raising the price. You know, just keep raising the price. So the thing is that Moutai, phenomenal mode. So Mastercard, one of the issues is that payment systems, it may be possible that in 2030, Mastercard is still doing fine. Possible. It's also possible Mastercard in 2030 is not doing fine. Right? We don't know. So anyway, my way of dealing with this is play a game. Okay? Let's play a game. And I could never get Guy to buy even one share of Suntech. Even after the contest started, everything.